The Fiat 500e takes the cute retro styling of the iconic 500, but adds a fully electric powertrain. On the outside, it looks exactly like the gas-powered 500, but under the hood, you'll find a 111 horsepower electric motor and lithium-ion battery. Its size, power, and 87-mile battery-only range make it an ideal fit for commuters and urbanites.